Hi, Touch Delay, everyone. So today here I'm recording three head letters. In Tibetan, we have three different head letters. They are Rago Chungni, Lago Chu, and Sago Chukji. So Ra, La, Sa. These three letters can be on the top of your main letter, okay? And then we have a Rago Chungni, that means 12 Ra head letter. Ra can be on the top of 12 main letter. And then Lagoju, the La can be on the top of 10 main letter. Okay. And then Sa can be on top of 11 main letters. Okay. Okay. So see here. Letter which are in the red color, these letters are changed when you put the head letter. So these are same as prefix. When we study the prefix, that time, so first column, second column, no change, even combined with the prefix, and third column and fourth column will change. That is the same rules in head letter. Okay, so see, ka, nga, cha, nya, tha, na, pa, ma, za. So these letters will change the sound when you put the head letter. Okay, so from the third column, ka, cha, tha, pa, ta. So these letters are changed to harder sound. And then from the fourth column, nga, nya, na, ma. So these are nasal sound changed to high tone. Okay, so no worries, I will read one by one. So first one, Rago Chunyi, 12 Ra head letter. Okay, first one, Ra Kata Ka. Okay, and then Ka. So it's a remain same sound, Ka sound. Okay, next one, Ra Kada Ga. Ga. So sound change, Ka sound change to Ga sound. Okay, then third one, Ra Ngata Nga. High tone. Nga, like this. Okay, next one, fourth, Ra Chada Ja. Ja, like this. Fifth one, Ra Nyata Nya. So nya sound change to nya sound. And then next one, Ra Tata Ta. Remain same sound. Okay, Ta. Next one, Ra Tada Da. So Ta sound change to Da. Next, Ra Nada Na. So Na sound is changed to Na sound. Next one, Ra Pada Ba. Ba. Pa sound changes to Ba sound. Okay, the next one, Ra Mada Ma. Ma sound. Okay, next one, Ra Tata Ta. Ta remains same. And the next one, Ra Tada Za. Za, like this. Okay, harder sound. Okay, so once you know how to read Rahet letters and then Lahet letters and Salhet head letters, these are same how to read and sound also. Okay, so we have a La, Lago, Ju, 10 Lahet letters. They are La, Kata, Ka. Next one, La Kada Ga. Ga. Okay. And the next one, La ngata, nga, nga. Next one. La, chata, cha, cha. Okay. Next one. La, chada, ja, ja. Next one. La, tata, ta, ta. Okay. Next one. La, tada, da, da. Okay. Next one. La, pata, pa, pa. Next one. La, pada, ba, ba. Next one. La, hata, ha, ha. So this one have a little bit different sound, like ha. Okay. And then next one, sahet letter. Okay. Sako, jukjik. 11 sahet letters. So first one, sa, kata, ka. Next, second one, sa, okay, so sa, kada, ga. Next one, sa, ngada, nga. Next one, sa, nyata, nya. Okay, next one, sa, tata, ta. Remain same. Next one, sa, tada, da, da. Okay, change sound. And then next one, sa, nada, na, na. Okay, next one, sa, pata, pa. Remain same. And then next one, sa, pada, ba. Sa, pada, ba. Okay. And the next one, sa, mata, ma. Sa, mata, ma. Okay. And then last one. Okay. Last one, sa, tata, sa. Sa, tata, sa. Okay, so these are how to read. Okay. And then next, when you put the vowels, some examples are here, how to read. Ra, kata, ka, ka, kigu, ki. Ra, kata, ka, shubju, u. Ra, kata, ka, dingbo, ke. Ra, kata, ka, naro, ko. Ra, tada, da, kigu, di. Ra, tada, da, shubju, du. Ra, tada, da, dingbo, de. Ra, tada, da, naro, do. La, khada, ga, kigu, gi. La, khada, ga, shubju, gu. La, khada, ga, dingbo, ge. La, khada, ga, naro, go. La, ngata, nga, kigu, ngi. La, ngata, nga, shubju, ngu. La, ngata, nga, dingbo, nge. La, ngata, nga, naro, ngo. Okay, and then sa, pada, ba, kigu, bi. Sa, pada, ba, dingbo, be. Sapada ba, banaro bo. Okay. Samata ma, makigu mi. Samata ma, mashebju mu. Samata ma, madingbo me. Samata ma, manaro mo. Like this. When you combine, when you put the vowels with this head letter and main letter, how to make the sound. Okay. And then, so many students asking like this, why we have three different head letters, even it is the same sound, because all head letters, many of they are same sound, right? For example, for example, ra, if I put ra, kata, ka, and la, kata, ka, and then sa, kata, ka. So all they have a same sound, like this all have a same sound. So why we have a different three head letters? So see, because we have a different meaning, we need a different spelling. Okay, so for example, I give here ra, so ra ngata nga, la ngata nga. Okay, sangata nga. So they have the same sound, but in different spelling, there's a different meanings. So for example, ra ngata nga means drum. Okay, and then la ngata nga means number 5, and then sa ngata nga, that means early. So we have a different meaning, and for the different meaning we need a different spelling. That's why we have three different head letters. Okay, so thank you everyone. So, and next I'm going to record the attached letters. If you are watching new, don't forget to subscribe, okay? And then please help me to share if someone interested to learn. Okay, so see you next video.